In Belgium, students love to drink and party. But alcoholism is on the rise among students. Studies show that up to 37% of students has a drinking problem. Just when these shocking figures came out, Neville Sharp, an Australian resident, broke the world record for loudest burp with 112 decibels. This world record could not have come at a better time. It kickstarted a TikTok campaign of Belgian radio broadcasting service StuBru to tackle the drinking problem among students, introducing
Friday Night Burps.
StuBru aired their radio spot on their national broadcasting format.
Op 29 juli brak Neville Sharp, een Australiër, het wereldrecord voor luidste boer met 112 decibel.
Hallo, ik ben Evie en dit wereldrecord ga ik nu verbreken. Ik ga dan nu mijn glas vullen met water. Oké, there we go. Pas op, Neville, hier komt hij. Huh? Fuck, maar 90 decibel.
Kan jij wel het wereldrecord verbreken? Doe dan mee aan de nieuwe TikTok-challenge van StuBru.
Friday Night Burps.
The objective of Friday Night Burps is to simply beat the world record of loudest burp. The rules are simple. Drink a glass of water. It has to be water. Drink up and see who can burp the loudest. Of course, it is almost impossible to beat the world record, but that's not what we're interested in. Getting students to drink a glass of water when they are pre-boozing and partying was our goal. And it went viral. Over 500 TikToks, 850 decibels, and the best bit, 1,050 liters of water were consumed.
Friday Night Burps.